everyone, how are you? I give you all of it and fine at home and enjoying the online classes. Okay, now today we will learn a new concept of the math book, and that is heavy and light. Heavy and light. You have already known that concept, but today I will show some objects which are heavy and which are light objects. So you know, when you compare two things about their weight, you can get two words. That one is heavy and another is light. Okay, heavy means those objects you cannot lift one place to another easily. And the light means you can say that which objects you can lift one place to another place very easily. That is the light object for you. Okay, so now look some examples. What is this? You can say this is an elephant. Okay, this is an elephant. And the elephant you can lift. क्या आप इसको ले सकती हो? Can you lift easily? No. Why? Because the elephant is very heavy. We cannot lift it. And the ball is so light. You can lift and you can throw it and you can catch it and you can also play with the ball. But the elephant is so heavy, you cannot lift it. That's why the elephant is heavy and the ball is light. Okay, then another example is, look at here. This is a box full of bugs. Oh, I cannot lift the bugs one place to another. That's why the box is so heavy. And the flower, I can lift, I can catch it, I can take it one place to another place, I can hold it. That's why the flower is so light from us. Okay, then the toy. Then the toy. The toy is heavy or the flower is light or heavy, you can say the toy is heavy. You may keep it, you may lift it, but the toy is heavy, it is so light. Okay. So let's see some another examples. Look here.
Here is a math fact. In your math fact, you can see some objects about their weight, and by which you can learn the concept of heavy and light. Okay, dear students, in this worksheet, one pumpkin is there and the another side is one tomato is there. Can you know which one is heavy or which one is light? Both the objects are different by the weights. So the pumpkin is heavy and the tomato is light. When you compare some things based on their weights, we can get two rules, or we can get two words, that heavy and light. Okay. And now tell me, the mango is heavy or the cherry is heavy? Yes, you were right. The mango is heavy, the cherry is light. Okay. Can you say one lion is heavier or one mouse is heavier? Which one is heavier? Lion is very heavy and the mouse is light. And here one big gift box is here and the another gift box is so small. Which one is heavy? Big gift box is heavy and the small light box is light. On the first picture, you see the first picture is heavy and the small LED is light. Okay, now it's your turn. So you have to say that one ball is heavy or the balloon is heavy. Which one is heavy? Yes, the ball one is heavy than the balloons. You can lift the balloons from the one place to another place, but you can't lift easily the ball. Okay, the book is heavy or the leaf is heavy? You're right, the leaf is light and the book is heavy. Okay, and these are the examples of heavy and light.
So got it all of you? Understood the concept of heavy and light? Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and tomorrow I will see you again. Bye.